Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best fabric adhesive tape hem repair product currently available, the double-sided fabric tape heavy duty for hem. If you've ever found yourself scrambling at the last minute to fix a fallen hem, adjust a dress, or tailor curtains without reaching for a needle or iron, this tape might just become your new best friend. This double-sided fabric tape is designed to eliminate the need for traditional sewing or ironing when it comes to basic repairs or styling needs. You simply tear it to the desired length, peel off the protective liner, and stick it between the fabric layers. Just press it down firmly, and you're good to go. It's as easy as apply, press, and wear. This tape comes in a 0.5-inch width and a generous 33-foot length. That's 10 meters, giving you plenty of tape for dozens of applications. The adhesive is strong enough to hold fabric securely, but it's also designed to be removable and residue-free. That means you won't damage your clothes when it's time to remove or adjust the tape. It's suitable for hemming pants, skirts, and dresses, but you can also use it for quick fixes on curtains, costumes, or even accessories. Think about last-minute outfit changes, travel emergencies, or daily wardrobe tweaks. This tape is built for it all. It caters to all kinds of fabrics. Whether you're working with cotton, polyester, silk, or blends, this tape holds up well without causing any warping or stiffness. That makes it ideal for both casual and formal wear adjustments. For performers, fashion stylists, or anyone constantly dealing with costume changes or fashion fittings, this tape can save tons of time and stress. No sewing kit? No problem. Just keep a roll of this tape in your bag, and you're ready for any wardrobe malfunction. The adhesive remains effective even through several hours of wear. Whether you're out on a date, attending a business event, or dancing at a wedding, this tape holds strong until you decide to peel it off. And it does so without leaving any sticky residue or damaging your clothing, an often overlooked but crucial detail. This tape isn't just practical, it's cost-effective too. Instead of paying for tailoring or alterations, a single roll gives you multiple uses over time. That's real value for people who want quick results without spending a lot on repairs. In summary, the double-sided fabric tape heavy duty for hem is a powerful little tool that solves common clothing challenges in a fast, clean, and affordable way. It's reliable, easy to use, and discreet, and it's one of those products that once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you're interested in upgrading your fashion toolkit with something simple but incredibly effective, this might just be your best find. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into clever everyday products that solve real-world problems. See you in the next video.